Hello guys, welcome to my channel. You are watching how to fix tech. In this video, I'm going to show how to update your latest Windows. Okay, Windows 10 update, which is 22S2. This is the latest version from Microsoft, which was released on 18 October. You can see here and read. This is the latest version. So how to install Windows latest version for security and the patches. This is very important for security feature. Updating Windows latest version is essential for security reason. So how we can enable it and we can update our Windows to latest. Go to search bar, then type the run. With the help of run command, we will check our latest Windows version. Make sure you are using 21S2 and type our WinVVR. Okay. In my case, I'm using latest version. It was latest version. Okay. 21S2. Make sure you are using this version. Then after that, you can update this option 22S2. Okay. So how you can download it? Two methods to download it. First, go to search bar, then type it check for update. Okay. Click on check for update. Now update Windows update and make sure you are choosing the check for update and latest Windows. Okay, click on check for update. Let's say check for update is not working on your Windows. So how you can manually download it? Okay, go to another tab, then type here download 22S2 Windows 10. Okay, update. Then click on this option download Windows 10 disk image ISO. Okay, you will see this the first link, which is Windows 10 2022 update version 22S2 update. Now click on this. This is a tool. Okay, and it's going to download. You can see here. Now go to download folder. This is Windows 10 and double click on it to run. Click on yes when prompt opens. You can see here checking for update. You can click on update now and click on yes. Make sure you have enough space and then click on next. Your download will be done. Okay, so no loss to your data. Don't worry, your system will restart after that. It will take around 30 to 40 minutes. Okay, so hope this video is useful for you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching how to fix tech.